welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. In this video, I am going to explain 6th class Maths chapter 1, that is knowing our numbers. Okay, in this chapter already we completed exercise 1.1. Okay, now in this video I am going to explain exercise 1.2. Before that, based on that 1.2 questions concept, just I am going to explain the concept. After completion of this concept, we will go for exercise 1.2 questions. So that concept is rounding of numbers. How to round off the given numbers to its nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands. How we should rounding of the given numbers. Just see, first I am talking about how to rounding of the given number to its nearest tens. Okay, first concept is its nearest tens. Okay, how to round off its nearest tens. Suppose one number is given 86. One number is given 86. Now this 86, how to round off this 86 its nearest tens? Its nearest tens. Very simple. 86, it lies between 80 and 90. Yes or no? So we are talking about tens. Ones, tens. Right? Now 2-digit number 86. 86 is lies between 80 and 90. Okay. Here exactly between number is 85. For 80 and 90, exactly middle number is 85, right? So if exactly middle number is there, we can rounding up the given number, that number to its nearest tens, that is 90. After number only we can take. Don't take before number. Why? Because sometimes you may get doubt. Here 85 is exactly middle, no? Why we can't? This is the same distance from here to here, here to here. This is 5, this is also 5. Same distance is there, no? So why we cannot take 80? Why we can take only 90? After number only we can consider? Yes, that is the rule. But we should consider compulsory after number only. If it is exactly middle number. Okay, here 86 is there. So 86, it lies between 80 and 90. But this somewhere it will be. Okay, it is 86 is near to 90. It's far to 80. It is far to 80, near to 90. Okay, like that you can compare. So wherever nearest number is there, that number only we can consider rounding of number. So now what is the rounding of number 86? Its nearest tens is what we can take? 90 we can take. Okay, see here this is about the tens. Okay, now what sorry for the disturbance. What about the nearest hundreds? Okay, what about the nearest hundreds? Second one is nearest hundreds. So here nearest hundreds. Suppose hundreds means given number, first whatever they will give number, just I am taking 315. 315. This is ones, tens, hundreds. We are talking about the hundreds place digit. Okay. Now 315. 315. No. It lies between 300 and 400. Yes or no? See here 315. So 315, it is near to 300. It is far to 400. Okay. 315. 15. Okay. Now it will goes to 300 only. It will goes to 300 only. Why it will goes to 300? Why? Because 315 is it's near to only 300. It is far to 400. So what whatever near number is there, that only we can consider as a nearest to hundreds place. Hundreds. Okay. Next. Third one is nearest to thousands. Nearest to thousands. How we can rounding up the given number to its nearest thousands. Suppose they will give 40,126. 40,126. Here take the place values first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, here we are talking about thousands place digit. Okay, thousands place digit. Okay, now we can take this number. See, this number is lies between 40,000, 50,000. Right? Here 40,126. It is near to 40,000. It is near to 40,000. So rounding of number of this 40,126 is 40,000 only. Why? Because this number is near to 40,000. It is far to 50,000. It is far to 50,000. That is what here heading 1C. Nearest number. Whatever nearest number is there, for that number only we can rounding of the given number. Okay. Now I hope you clear about the nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds, nearest to thousands. Now based on this concept only, you have questions from exercise 1.2. So few questions I will explain for you. Few more you can do yourself as a practice. Now exercise 1.2. Okay. Here in this exercise 1.2, first one is round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Okay, here nearest tens. First one is given 89. First number is given 89. Now what is the rounding of number of 89? Okay, first you should think about this. 89 lies between 80 and 90. 89 lies between 80 and 90. Okay, here 81, 82, 83 up to 89 somewhere it will be. Right? So here 89 it is near to 90. 89 is just near to 90. So we can consider rounding of number 90. So rounding of number of 89, its nearest to tens is 90. So we can write it as 89. Rounding of number is 90. Its nearest to tens. Its nearest to tens. Okay. Next. Second one is 415 is there. 415. So 415 in this ones, tens, hundreds. Here we are talking about the tens place digit. See here tens place, ones, tens, 2 digits. Only 2 digits, that is 15. Means that 415. So 415 it lies between 400, 410, 420. Okay, 410, 420 it lies between. Okay, now it is exactly between 10, 9 to 20. So if it is exactly between number, then we can go for the next number. Okay, so rounding of number of 415 is 420. Its nearest to tens. Its nearest to tens is 420. Okay. Next, third is given 3951. 3951. Okay. Now here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. But we are talking about nearest to tens. So these two digits 51. You should forget about 39. Okay, just 51. Okay. This 51 lies between 50 and 60. Okay. Just 51 only we are talking about. Why? Because nearest to tens. Okay. Remaining number just you can add it like this. Okay. Now 51. Just after 50 only 51 no? So 3951. It is near to this number only. Near to 3950. So rounding number of 3951 is 3950. This is the rounding number. It's nearest to tens. Okay. This is about the nearest to tens. I hope you understood. Next is nearest to hundreds. How to round off the given numbers to its nearest to hundreds. Okay, just two questions I will tell you. Nearest to hundreds. Here in the nearest to hundreds, first one is given 695. Okay, here ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, here we are talking about hundreds. So 695. 3 digits we can consider. 3 digits. Okay. Now 695. It is lies between 600 and 700. Here 95 no 695. So 695. It is near to 700. It is near to 700. So rounding of number of 695 is its nearest to hundreds is 700. Okay. Now second one is given 36,152. 36,152. Here ones, tens, hundreds. We are talking about 152. We should forget about these two digits. Just to 152. 152. Where it lies between 100, 200. Yes or no? Now just to these numbers we should write this side of that. Okay. Now 152. So here 36,152. Here it is near to 200. 152 is always near to 200. Okay. So rounding of number of 152 is 36,200. Why? Because 150 is the middle number of 100 and 200. But 152 is there, 2 extra is there. So automatically it will goes to 200 nearest number. Okay, that is the nearest to hundreds. Next nearest to thousands. Just one question I will tell you. Nearest to hundreds. Next is nearest to thousands. How to round off given numbers to its nearest to thousands. Just we are talking about thousands. First number is given 3,415. Okay. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Now nearest to thousands. This is the 3,415. This number which lies between 3,000 and 4,000. We are talking about thousands now. So here if 3500 means that is the exactly middle number. Exactly middle number. Okay. Now it is less than 500 it is there. 415 means less than 500 no. So 3415 it is less. So whenever it is less then it will go to that number. Okay. Its preceding number. So here rounding number of 3415 is 3000. Its nearest thousands is 3000. Its nearest thousands is 3000. If it is greater than 500, something 3561 suppose. It is more than 500. So this number will goes to 4000. Nearest thousand space is 4000. So it is less than 500 is there. Why? Because this is 415 is there. So it will goes to 3000 only. Okay. I hope you understand how to rounding of the given number to its nearest thousands. Okay. Next, how to write the short form of the given expanded form. Okay, just two questions I will explain for that, so that we will complete the exercise simply. See, fourth one, write the numbers in short form. Why I am taking fourth one? Why? Because in this exercise, first question only based on the nearest tens, second question nearest to hundreds, third question nearest to thousands. Now fourth question, how to write the short form? How to write the short form of the given expanded form? Just here, how to write the short form? This is the expanded form is given 3407. Okay. Now for this is the expanded form. For that expanded form, how to write the short form? Very simple. Just whatever the given values, we should add it. Okay, by adding we should get easily. Okay, so short form is 3407. By simply adding we can get the answer. If you are writing directly means sometimes you may get confused and you may get right some tens place digit in hundreds place or hundreds place digit some thousands place you will write. Okay, you may get confused. So to avoid that confusion, better to add. Better to add. Then only you will get the exact answer for that given question. Okay. So any number like this expanded form is given. So by adding those all the numbers, you can get the short form. Okay. Next fifth question is for this reverse. Write the expanded form of the numbers. So fifth question is just expanded form. They given the short form. For the short form means number they will give. So 4348. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, just we should write in expanded form. Simply expanded form we can write simple. See how to write. 4 into 4 in which place? Thousands place. So multiply with 1000 plus 3. 3 into 3 in which place it is there? Hundreds place. Plus 4 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Okay, here 4000, 3 into 100, 300, 4 into 10, 40, 8 into 1, 8. So here expanded form of this given number is this 4000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8. 4348. Like this we can write the expanded form of any given numbers. So just to that digit it should multiply with the place value. So better to write the place values first for the given number. Okay, these are the 5 questions from exercise 1.2. Okay, so I hope everyone understand. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.